Hello, doing the X5 F15, the sunroof drain is clogged. Alright, so I just want to let you guys know what my solution is. I hope it will work, but a little recommendation is always nice. So what you had to do to get access to the drain, the sunroof drain, right? Like you have to partially drop the headliner. Not all, it's not that bad. It's pretty straightforward compared to Volkswagen. Okay. So first thing, you need to release the grab handle. Okay, right there. Okay, so what happens is that those grab handle, there's two tabs right here. You see? Yeah. They're mounted to that bracket. So what you have to do, you have to pull out the insert for this thing, which is right here. That's part of the insert. This one. You'll see like this. Like you'll see like insert right there. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to pull this straight out. Okay. Once you release the handle, it will still stuck in the bracket. If you look at here, you see those two tabs right there. So you can get two small screwdriver and spread it. And then this will eventually open up. And then it will slide out. Okay? Lots of tutorial on YouTube. The next step, remove the A-pillar. Okay? And then you want to remove the light because there's a connector right there. Very straightforward. Where's my light? I can find it right there. Okay, so that's the light. So you're just gonna pry it out and it should be out. Easy. The hardest part is this. For the sun visor, I don't know why. They make it the same thing as a grab handle. They have this little bracket here. Okay, so when you take out the little bracket, you have to pry in the middle. Because I pried on the side and it broke a little bit, but it should be okay. It's just whatever holds on to the thing, right? So you need to pry out these two brackets, and then the headliner, the sun visor have these two clips where you get two screwdriver. You'll release over here. Okay. And as for the front, you remove that little cover. There's two cover. Where were they? These one. Right, you remove them, and then you'll see on the side over here, you can access it through here. Just get a screwdriver and push them in right there. You get to, and then it will drop down. Once you drop down, there's two 10 mil right here that bolts on the headliner to the body frame. Right, so you're gonna undo that, and then you also need to open the sunroof all the way, because there's four tiny, where are they? Oh no. Okay, there's four tiny T10. These one. Okay, so after all that, remove the B pillar. Very straightforward. All you gotta do, it was in, you just gotta pry it outwards and then pull it, and it will drop down like that. That's all you need, at least for this job. Well, I removed the rear handle so I get a little more flex in the headliner. Okay, after all that, you'll get access to the drain. This is the sunroof drain. Okay, I'm just gonna unplug it, then you'll see right there. So usually like they're just clogged right there in the middle. What I did, I don't know if that's good, but at least that's how I did it. Just a little tip for you guys. I use my air compressor right here, right? So I actually undo the hose and then add some pressure going on here. Okay, so what I did, sorry, only one hand here. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay. Sorry, let me just get this headliner down. So what I did, I undo it, right, and then I just put my pressure inside like this. Okay. I hope it gets that. I was biting the phone. And if you see water coming down right here, then that's pretty good. Because then I think the drain should run all the way like inside the fender. In order to physically see it, you have to remove the fender. But for me, I don't want to do that, so that's my method. I don't know if that will work, but you know, I'll give it a shot. Yeah, and after that, I will water test it for like maybe like another 1 or 2 days. If it's good, then yeah, it should be fine. Any question, leave it in the comment. I will try my best to reply. So yeah, it's not hard. It's just gotta be careful of the interior stuff, right? So